In this video, we provide a short introduction to exploration functionalities within the OneStop4All. We use datasets as an example of resource type and some of the things that we should do apply to other types of resources. Say I am interested in climate change dataset Germany. Then I think I can send my search and I see a couple of results. Some of these seems to be about the UK. So let me see if I can use my map to filter a little bit according to the spatial context. Send it, and the result appears. I can filter further according to subject, according to time, but I will stop here. And then just look at the first example and see is indeed that the spatial coverage of that data set applies to the spatial region of interest that I have given. We want to look a bit more into the data set itself and see that, okay, it comes that it was harvested from the geoportal DE. So using the search user interface is one way of doing the exploration. Another way is to use the dedicated section where information about datasets and repositories is provided. The possibility of taking a guided repository search, we won't look into it here. We will talk about it in a separate video. And then scrolling down, I have a couple of showcases with data set about word settlement, word heat flow, hydrometeorological data set, and so on. What I'll do, I will just pick this community data set, GeoFresh, and GeoFresh is a project that has been funded as an NFDI4Earth pilot. As we can see here, it provides several types of outcomes. A data set, and there's a scientific publication about it. I think open this, and that is this that we can see. There is software, and then there is also a web-based solution, which is accessible online. And GeoFresh has contribution that goes beyond NFDI4Earth, or the impact of this contribution goes beyond NFDI4Earth because it's currently being reused in Aqua Infra and other NFDI initiatives like NFDI for biodiversity. Now looking a little bit down, I can see a set of related content. Let me see if I could. This one, it is a tool and software that is related to the articles that we just see. And if I go to the tool, then I can see actually the GitHub repository where the code of the platform is openly available. And I can look into publication, which is a report available on Zenodo, documenting the achievement of the projects at the end of the funding phase as a pilot. And then I can look into this Living Handbook article, which basically indicates that the content is available for the phase of observation collection. And at last, I can look at pilots article, which basically indicates that GeoFresh was one of the NFDI4Earth pilots. And I can continue the exploration from there with other type of pilots like LexCube, which is another pilot which built a tool for visual exploration of DataCube. So the ability to connect and browse through the relationships between the different type of resources is one of the key feature of the OneStop4All that we intended to highlight in this video. Thanks for listening.